The coronavirus here in the U.S., the vaccination rate is slowing down. So the question tonight, will the U.S. meet that 4th of July goal? A reality check here. So far, 13 states have reached that benchmark, 70% of adults with at least one dose. At the other end of the scale, 6 states are at less than 50%. Mississippi, the lowest of all, at 44% of adults with one shot. And Dr. Jha with us right here tonight on the concerning Delta variant, first seen in India, now the dominant strain in the UK. It's being seen here in the U.S. already. The doctor here on the big difference on how effective the vaccines are against this variant after one dose or after 2 doses of the vaccine. Marcus Moore from Mississippi tonight.
Tonight, with vaccine demand slowing in the U.S., news that unused Johnson & Johnson one-dose vaccines are due to expire at the end of the month. The company, which suffered setbacks in early April due to safety concerns about blood clots in a very small number of women, saying today it's working to try to extend the shelf life of its doses.
We still believe that we are going to be very relevant in terms of getting patients vaccinated around the world.
This coming amid President Biden's announcement that the U.S. will buy 500 million doses of Pfizer to provide to poorer nations. The race to vaccinate in the U.S. facing challenges, even as concerns grow about the highly contagious Delta variant first detected in India. That strain now dominant in the U.K., with transmission rising among 12 to 20-year-olds, raising concerns for experts here in the U.S.
We're out there really pushing and beating the bushes and trying to get people to understand why it's so important for them to get vaccinated.
On average, about 357,000 U.S. adults have gotten at least one shot every day in the last week. That's down nearly 20%, far short of the approximately 540,000 needed daily to hit President Biden's July 4th goal of 70%. In Oklahoma, where vaccinations have plummeted, the health department saying it may have to throw out tens of thousands of vaccines. 6 states now reporting that half of their adults still have not received at least one shot. At just over 44%, Mississippi ranks last.
I tell you, it's horrifying.
In the small town of Forest, Pastor O.D. Akins is trying to encourage people to get vaccinated after he nearly died from COVID in April.
80 days in the hospital.
80 days. I didn't know whether I was in the world or out of the world.
And a 2% chance.
2% chance survival.
And so Marcus Moore is with us now. And Marcus, we know this 4th of July goal of having 70% of Americans with at least one dose of the vaccine isn't just a goal. Authorities say there's an obvious reason for this, a real correlation with what they're seeing as far as new hospitalizations in counties and states where they're not even close to meeting these numbers. And ABC News has looked into these numbers.
Yeah, that's right. An ABC analysis, David, looked at the counties with the lowest percentages or rates of vaccinations of residents, and it found that hospitalizations in those areas actually were more than double compared to the counties where they had the highest rates of vaccinations, David.
All right, Marcus Moore on the virus tonight.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.